16, we're going to solve the absolute value equation 4 times the absolute value of b minus 1 minus 7 equals 17. Before you solve these and think about the absolute value, you always have to get the absolute value portion by itself first. So my goal is to get the absolute value by itself. No different than if we had 4x minus 7 equals 17. We would add 7 and divide by 4 to get the x. We need to do that to get the absolute value by itself. So our first step, we add 7 to both sides. We get 4 times the absolute value of b minus 1 equals 24. Next step, to cancel out times 4, we divide by 4. And we get the absolute value of b minus 1 equals 6. Now is when you have to think, what does absolute value mean? It's distance from 0. So if Mr. Swenson is 6 from 0, where could he be? He could be at 6, or he could be at negative 6. But he's just a placeholder for b minus 1. In both cases, we add 1 to solve. We find out that one of our solutions is 7, and the other solution, negative 6 plus 1, is negative 5. You can always check your answers by substituting back into the original equation. 7 minus 1, that's 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 7 is 17. Or you could check negative 5. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Absolute value of negative 6 is positive 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus the 7 does give you 17.